All right, in this problem, we're going to find the discriminant of 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0, and answer the question, how many roots does it have? Not how many real, because it can be real or complex. So our discriminant takes the form b squared minus 4ac, and that's for quadratics of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So a is the number in front of x squared, a is 4. B is the number in front of x, b is negative 12, because this could be written as plus negative 12x. And c is the number by itself, so c is 9. I'm going to substitute those values in, so I'm going to do b squared, so negative 12 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 4, times c, which is 9. Negative 12 squared is negative 12 times negative 12, which is positive 144. Minus 4 times 4 is 16 times 9. So that becomes 144 minus 144, because 16 times 9 is 144. So our discriminant is 0. And when the discriminant is 0, that means we have one unique real solution.